what we are seeing is that Indian customer who's getting younger by the day is really looking at something which is very unique to him. He's inspired by the WRC, World Rally Championship, where Hyundai has been doing very well as a company. We have been participating. And this customer is looking for sporty and, fun-loving experiences in life. So look, we have to see that it's an N-Line range. So I don't think there is a comparison ki i20 versus i20 N-Line. It's all about launching the N-Line range in India. Interiors in the car, as you can see, the checkered grille, you can see those fine, the use of the red color. You can see that in the interior there is a steering wheel which is very exclusive. Then there is a gear knob which is very exclusive. Then there are the tires which look very different. And in terms of performance, of course, the turbo engine which gives 120 PS of power, DCT, IMT options. So I think the whole idea is to really provide the customers with fun and of course the active lifestyle which he is used to. So basically right away, I think tomorrow second half the cars will be displayed in the showrooms. We are selling it exclusively through the signature outlets. We have 188 signature outlets across 97 cities in India. So the car is going to be available from tomorrow, and probably the first week of September we are going to announce the price, and then the delivery will start. So we have made those subtle changes, whether it is in the suspension, so that the customer gets that feeling, the steering, the more stability. Of course, we have looked at the safety aspects. So we have made those subtle changes. And of course, like I said, already a very tried and tested turbo power engine, the DCT, the IMT. I think customers are going to really love the fun aspect of the i20 N-Line range. So for sure, we have a plan going forward that to launch more and more N-Line range cars in India, and we are very enthusiastic because i20 happens to be probably the right choice to launch the N-Line range, because as you know, i20 has a rich WRC connection, and we feel it is appropriate car to launch the N-Line range. Going forward, we'll look at different body types and different models for the market. So look, yes, we are inspired, of course, by the N-Line range. If you see, is inspired by the motorsports and World Rally Championship. Of course, the whole idea is because World Rally Championship cannot be accessible to all. So N-Line range, while inspired by the WRC, the whole idea is it becomes accessible to all. And why not? I mean, we will really see whether there's an opportunity to really bring the motorsports in terms of WRC. In case it comes, we will surely like to participate. And at the same time, it is too early because we don't know, because it is an expensive sport, and we still have to see how going forward any opportunity that exists. So the response has been very good. And as you know, Hyundai has always believed that if a potential exists in the market, we should be the one to really create a segment. And that is what we have tried to do with the Alcazar. The response has been fabulous so far. People talked about cannibalization with the Creta, but I'm very happy to report that there is practically zero cannibalization. And we are getting an entirely new range of customers who are really looking at Hyundai with a lot of interest with their SUV leadership. So far so good, and excellent response both for our petrol as well as diesel powertrains.